Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Biryani is my favorite dish and I've made several biryani recipes. We'll give you the links in the description, do check them out. Today I'm going to share another wonderful biryani recipe and we're going to make this delicious Brinjal Dum Biryani. Well, it's very tasty and it's a very nice and simple recipe, so let's get started and check it out. For the Brinjal Dum Biryani, first we need to marinate the brinjals. To a nice big bowl, take about 400 grams of fresh curd. To this, add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1.5 teaspoons cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1.5 teaspoons of garam masala powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt, and mix everything well. I've taken about half kilo of small brinjals for this recipe. Slit the brinjal into 4 till the head. We are going to use the brinjals as a whole, so do not cut it into pieces. Add a handful of fried onions, a handful of mint leaves, and a handful of chopped coriander leaves. Mix everything well till the brinjals are coated with a nice marinade and let it sit for about 20 minutes. To a white kadai, add 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once the oil gets hot, add the whole spices, that is the bay leaf, cloves, mace, Shahi Jeera, cinnamon, star anise, cardamom, stone flower and peppercorns, and slightly roast them. Next add 2 onions thinly sliced and saute till they turn to a nice golden brown color. Now add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of green chilli paste and mix everything well. Then add the marinated brinjal pieces along with the curd mixture. Let the brinjals cook in the marinated masala. Close the kadai and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the kadai and mix again. Cook this masala mixture till the raw smell goes. Once the raw smell goes, I am adding 1 tablespoon of coconut powder. Do not use fresh coconut paste for this recipe. Then add 1 tablespoon of cashew nut powder. Mix it all well. Check for seasoning and add salt if required. Keep the flame on low, close the kadai and cook for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open the kadai. You can see the gravy has come together so beautifully. The oil has separated and the brinjals are nice and soft. Turn off the stove and keep this aside. Next, we are going to cook the rice. To a large pot, pour water and bring it to a boil. For this recipe, I have taken about 300 grams of Basmati rice. Wash it well and soak it for about 30 minutes. Once the water comes to a boil, add the soaked Basmati rice, 1 teaspoon of salt and the whole spices, which is cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, star anise, bay leaf and Shahi Jeera. Mix it all together and cook for about 5 minutes. Strain the rice and keep it aside. The next step is to layer the biryani. To a large pot, spread the cooked brinjal masala evenly and top it with the cooked basmati rice and spread it evenly on all sides. Add about 2 to 3 teaspoons of the saffron water. Next, add about 2 to 3 teaspoons of ghee. Add a handful of the fried onions, a handful of coriander leaves and a handful of mint leaves. So next we need to keep the biryani on dum. For this, place the pot on the stove. Make sure the pot is nicely sealed on all sides and there is no steam coming out. Keep the biryani on dum for about 15 minutes on medium-low flame. After 15 minutes, turn off the stove and let the biryani rest for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, let's check on the biryani. Wow, just look at that beautiful Brinjal Dum Biryani. It's come out so well. Just gently mix the rice along with the masala. There you go. Here is this yummy and delicious Brinjal Biryani that is ready to be served. You can enjoy this nice and hot with any raita of your choice. We'll give you a couple of links to the other biryani recipes. Do check them out. The Brinjal Dum Biryani looks fabulous. Well, I can't wait to taste it. There you go. Oh my god, it's incredibly tasty. Too good. This is an absolute feast. The brinjal is just melting in my mouth. The flavors are just incredible. I love biryanis. And there you go. This is another favorite of mine that's tasted amazing. I've served it with raita by the side. The flavors by itself are just superb. It's a must-try dish for all of you who love biryanis. So give it a try. Let me know how it turned out for you guys and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. You can now buy the second edition of our home cooking book at shop.homecookingshow.in.